York, HTC's launched a brand new product. It's called the Re. It's a convenience cam for you to carry around to capture life's exciting moments. It's kind of a companion for your smartphone, something a little more handheld and handy. It has a 16 megapixel camera, an ultra-wide lens, is capable of 1080p, time-lapse, and slow-mo, and it's dust and waterproof. It's got an 820 milliampere battery that's good for 1 hour and 40 minutes of continuous video recording. Like a lot of other personal cameras in the market, it doesn't have a viewfinder, but it does have an application where you can check out the footage. So you can do time-lapse, slow-mo, or even just stills. I was lucky enough to take it up on a helicopter ride around New York, so I'm going to show you some of the footage from that.
I tried to know when to leave. She sits in the bedroom and grieves. There's a sequence that starts all again. She can't get up anymore with the pain. The combination of these drugs has left her hopeless and lost. She wants to count the ways, but she can't count again. Strangled my words once. I tried 1,000 times, slaughtered like gods when the silver shines so hard. I tried to poison my life, always dreaming of the edge of the knife. She always looked backwards and I couldn't sit here for even 10 minutes or more.
The Re is going to retail for $199 and should be available around the end of October at Best Buy and through some US carriers. If you like what you see, leave me a comment. I'm your host, Nicole Scott for Mobile Geeks.